Hi guys, how you doing tonight? I want to talk to you guys today a little bit on the oscilloscope that we did on the primary and secondary, and the waveform. We got a good waveform out of it. Got good squiggly lines; those came out pretty good, and we were able to see everything that was happening with that. The item that I want to cover right now is also part of the primary and secondary, and that's the ion sensors. Now, the ion sensors are actually the spark plugs, and what it's doing is just after detonation, the explosion itself creates a current inside inside the cylinder, and the spark plug can sense that thanks to the ion sensor that's inside the coil, can sense the voltage drop, and that's how it knows if it's burning correctly or not. Just based on that, it's a lot more technical, but it's basically reading the amperage or current that's inside the cylinder right after detonation, and it uses that information as a knock sensor. So it uses it to prevent knocking, which means it will retard your timing or advance it depending on what it's reading, and that could make your bike run better or worse. In the event if it's retarding when it doesn't need to, because the sensor, or because it's not sensing the correct current that's coming out of the cylinder, fractions after the detonation, then it's going to try to change the timing. I think it does 3 measurements, so 3 detonations, 3 compression cycles, and it gets a reading from that, and it adjusts the timing accordingly. I think also the amount of fuel that goes into the cylinder to prevent knocking, and that's going to throw your bike out of whack. So when you use items like Iridium spark plugs on a 96 cubic inch, okay, if you use Iridium spark plugs, it could affect your timing. If you use the wrong wires, if your wires are not designed for ion sensing, you're also going to get bad timing, and you know that defeats the whole purpose of getting nice spark plugs and big fat wires, right? I run the original 6R12s on my bike. I don't have any need for any more than that. I do have the 10 millimeter Screaming Eagle wires, but those